Meaning of Martin Luther King Jr. Day.
Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Martin Luther King Jr. Day.
Meaning of Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Part of speech noun. Definitions. 1. A federal holiday in the United States observed on the third Monday of January to commemorate the birthday of Martin Luther King Jr., a civil rights leader. 2. A day of remembrance and celebration of the life and legacy of Martin Luther King Jr., focusing on his achievements, ideals, and the ongoing fight for social justice. Examples. 1. Martin Luther King Jr. Day is a day of reflection and action, reminding us of the work still needed to achieve equality. 2. Many communities celebrate Martin Luther King Jr. Day with parades, marches, and educational events.
Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Martin Luther King Jr. Day.